Hi everyone, so for today's project I'm going to be making my scallop kind of circle card. I've got all the elements cut here. I've already coloured in and cut with my ScanNCut machine the turtle from Playing in the Rain, and I'm going to stick this onto my circle. I'm going to add a greeting. I'm going to do "Oh Happy Day." But just for anybody that may be new to Stampin' Up supplies, the red rubber cling stamp set comes like this. So it comes in a box with all the stamp elements, and then you get the sticker sheet that you put on yourself. And the way this works is one of the sides of the sticker sheet, the designs or words are kind of cut into two. I'm not sure how well you'll see this here. The other side, they're completely smooth. And then on one side, you'll see there's a split in the design. So I'm going to put the sticker on the stamp that says "Oh Happy Day." So I can see that "Oh Happy Day" is here. So I'm going to peel away protective paper, and that exposes the sticky. And then all you need to do is line up the stamp with the same shape that you can see on your sticker. Can you see it pops up a little bit at the top here, and so does the stamp. If you've got it this way, you can see it's the wrong way round. So if I do it like this, you'll see. And then you peel the backing paper off this one. I've already peeled it off. And then you just pop this down directly over that shape and press. And then when you bend and lift, this is now sticky and will stick to my block. And you do that with all the stamps that are in your set. So like I say, for this one, I'm thinking that I'm going to put my little character here, and I'm going to put my "Oh Happy Day" down here. So I'm just going to put it on my grid and try and line up this nice and level. I'm going to use Tuxedo Black Memento and just ink this up, tapping it gently, just checking to see if I've got ink all over it. And then I'm just going to press and lift. So now my little character, I'm going to pop up here. I'm going to put a little bit of grounding or something underneath him, just so he doesn't look as though he's floating. So I'll pop him up on some dimensionals. I think a couple of dimensionals will do. And we'll pop him like so. As I say, I've already pre-coloured him to save some time, and I think from memory I coloured him in Old Olive and Mango Melody. But I will list all the products underneath the video, and literally just going to do some scribbling like that underneath him, just to give him a bit of grounding so he doesn't look, as I say, like he's floating. And then I'm going to bring my card pieces in. So this is my Scollop 6-inch circle card. It's got fold lines here, so you just fold and burnish and the card will stand like so. So for now, I'm going to bring in a piece of pattern paper, which I'm going to put up to the fold, and this is Parakeet Party, and this is from our 2022 to 2024 pack of 6x6 in colours. I love this. As you can see, I've virtually not really got much left. I've used it loads. It's all obviously double-sided. I'm just going to apply some adhesive, and I'm going to pop this so that it goes up to the fold and it sits centrally on my card. Then I've got another black piece that's going to go over the top. I'm going to pop that up on dimensionals, and I'm getting to near the end of my black dimensionals, so I'm using all the end pieces, and I'm going to stick this directly over just so it's got a bit of lift. You don't have to do this, you could just leave it, because obviously you've got the circle there and this is going to go on top, but I just want to put an extra layer on mine. But you've got all the elements in your cutting file. What you need to do is cut two of the smaller of the circles if you're using dark card like I am here, and this one fits directly over the top of that one. This is going to go on here. Again, I'm going to use some dimensionals. I'll use white ones this time. I like to use the black ones on dark card, just in case sometimes, you know, you do see your card from the side or from the back, and it just kind of hides the white dimensionals on a darker colour cardstock. So we'll pop him up like so. And then because this is dark cardstock, as I say, if you cut 2 of the smaller circle, you can then put a white one or an alternative lighter colour on the back to write your message. So that's how it's looking so far. And then I think we'll just add a little bit of embellishment and then the card is done. So how adorable is that? And the finished size of this card is 6 inches by, it's 6 by about 5 1/4. So you'll need an envelope for a 6 by 6 card. I'll just bring in some embellishments, see what we've got that we can use. Might just use basic rhinestones. So I'll get my take your pick tool. Again, I love this. It's great for picking up, you know, your little bits and pieces. I might put one in the middle of the flower like so. And then just a couple. So that's today's project. I'll obviously get a better thumbnail picture and it opens like so, but as I say, you've got a space to write your greeting on the back and it will go into an envelope that's for a 6 by 6 card and it will stand. I've also got a circular one so that this is all a circle, you know, not just a scallop in the cutting file shop. But that's today's project, as I say, using the Playing in the Rain and the 2022 to 2024 in colours. So I hope you like it. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.